Hey guys, good morning. So today is Thursday. It's about 7 a.m. right now. I'm up early because I have to catch a flight. I'm going to Florida to be with my family for the holidays. My flight's at 10:45, but of course, being that it's the busy season for traveling, I wanted to get there early. But I just wanted to come on here and just like introduce this vlog because I tried to vlog the past few days, but what's funny is the vlog's not ready to go up and it's on my desktop computer, and as you know, I can't travel with this and I don't know how to get the footage from here to my laptop. But then it doesn't matter because I deleted the footage from my camera, so I can't like re-import it. Ooh, technology. But I wanted to get a laptop for my my Christmas gift to myself, but I think I want a Louis Vuitton bag instead, so I'm just gonna get that because I already bought iMac. Like, why do I need two things? But that's pretty much the plan. I'm going to be making some breakfast right now just so I won't be hungry in the airport because I don't want to have to buy airport food. Like, it's so expensive for no reason. My room is also a mess at the moment, but pretty much this is my little carry-on thing. Let me see. It's not too heavy, so that's fine, because I need to be able to lift this to the overhead thing. But this is my other bag that I'm carrying. This is the base weekender bag. This is my favorite thing ever. It's like a big bag. But in here, I basically have my makeup container, my makeup holder, which is from Base as well. I love it. I'll show you guys once I get there, like what's in my bag and stuff. And then I got a whole bag here of like candy and peanuts. Then I have two things here, plantain chips. Then I just have this like sweater pants, and then I have like my bonnet because obviously I stuck with that. In here I basically have my camera charger, my cords, and you know, those things that you will need. And it closes like this, and it's like a really cute bag. And underneath here I have 3 pairs of shoes. So I love that because under here is like a whole other storage compartment. Let me see if I can show you guys actually. I should have a pair of heels in here. Oh, and my brushes and stuff. So I kind of want to bring my Converses, but I kind of want to go to the mall once I'm there because I want to go to Nordstrom and possibly get the Supergas. I believe that's how you say them. Jenny Day, who I watch and I'm obsessed with her channel, she always raves about them and I want to look into getting them. So I might just purchase that. But I'll bring these though because these are like really cute sandals. And then I'm also going to be bringing my Gucci bag as like my crossbody bag. This will have all like my important stuff, so sunglasses, travel docs, and everything that I need, so that will be in there. That's pretty much it. I'm actually just gonna go eat now and then basically clean my room so when I come back I don't have to be greeted by this mess. So that's my plan, but I'll pull you guys back out once I'm at the airport or something. So see you guys soon. Hey guys, so I have officially made it to Florida. I am so tired right now. It's starting so dark in here. I'm currently in the kitchen, but yeah, I got here safely, thank God. Let me just give you guys a little tour. So this is the living room area. And then a little Christmas tree and this little fireplace area. So cute. This is one of the bedrooms. I don't know if this is where I'm staying. It might be, but this is one of the bedrooms. Then this is the kitchen area. And then a little table here. Dining room. Just so cute. So this is my little toiletry bag that I packed. It just has my deodorant, some cleanser and stuff. So, and this is the base little travel pouch, which I love because I can kind of like see everything in here. Toothbrush, eye cream, floss, everything that I really like to use. I'm about to shower right now, but this is the little bathroom. It has 2 sinks because it's kind of like a Jack and Jill. So this is Alyssa's room, and then this is her sister's room. So it's really cute. So they have like a shared bathroom. So I'm all showered. I'm wearing these pajamas from Pink. They're just like the flannel pajamas and like the pink stripe. Currently doing my skincare right now, but I've showered. I feel clean. I feel so much better. I don't even feel sick anymore. I think I was just like dirty. But just doing my skincare right now. As I showed you guys earlier, my products are in here. This isn't like my everyday skincare because I couldn't really pack them because they're not like travel size, I would say. So I'm currently using eye cream as a moisturizer because I didn't bring a moisturizer. But it's all good. I mean, it's the same thing. And then for my lips, I'm going to use this like GG thing. So this is pretty much what I'm going to be using. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to go hang out with my family now, and then I'll catch you guys later. I'm currently using my cousin's laptop to edit with. Thank God, because I don't have my own. My laptop is just so slow. I need a new one, but I don't really know. As I said earlier, I kind of want a Louis bag, so I just don't want to buy another one, but we'll see. We will see. All right, I'll check in with you guys tomorrow, okay? So, do you guys see that? This is one of like my biggest fears, lizards. So scary. All right, guys, so it's Friday today. I ordered some groceries from Publix because you guys know me. So I got some lemonade. I didn't even check the fridge before, but then I got this thing here. It's a Southern style biscuit. I've never made this before, but I thought it looked good. So I got this thing here. It's like a Southern style biscuit. Then my stock cold brew and my lemonade. Then I got a bag of spinach. Then I got some shrimp. Then I got a bag of green beans. Then this is just like a little bit of grapes. It smells so good. This is like my favorite thing. Then I got 2 things of scallion because I'm making like a little, like a scallion spaghetti shrimp fusion pasta later. I'll show you guys if I have time. I made it back at home, but that footage is on my computer and my computer's not here, so I'll show you guys if I make it here. Well, I will make it, but we'll see. Then I got a tray of eggs. I'm gonna be making my spinach and egg breakfast thing that you guys have seen me make before. But some large eggs and thin spaghetti for the shrimp thing that I told you guys about. Don't roast me. I've seen so many comments like, stop eating ramen. It's not good for you. That's why you feel sick. Save it. These are all things for the recipe, but I mean, pepper flakes. Of course, my aunt can just keep them because obviously I'm not going to finish it, but have 2 little things here, sweet potato, a lemon, and a little thing of cayenne pepper. So yeah, that's all that I got, and I'm gonna go make some breakfast. So now I'm just gonna unpack a little bit just so I can be a little bit more organized, because this stresses me out. So I packed a couple outfits options, like this tan thing that you saw me wear in my Princess Polly haul, as well as this, all of which are just very like for summery kind of days, and it's a little bit chilly here, but I did bring a cardigan that can be worn with pretty much both of those. Then I brought this dress in case I wanted to go out one night, like Saturday night or something, just in case. I probably won't wear it. This is a very old dress, but it's one of my favorite dresses. I've never worn it. It's funny, but I purchased this for like a birthday dinner a long time ago, but I didn't wear it. Then I have, I think this was pajamas, so I have this one here. This is also from my Princess Polly haul, because I loved all of these pieces so much. Like, I genuinely do like them, so I bought them to wear. This, I plan on wearing this with a white shirt underneath. I'll put a picture on the screen, but that's kind of like my inspiration. And I brought a ton of white tees, because you know that this is my favorite outfit to wear. White tee, white shirts. I have so many. So this is pretty much like, this is just like a regular white tee, and then this one is the one that says Naked Vice, I believe, to wear with jeans or something. This is sort of like a tank top, so that's what I got. And then I have some athletic wear, just because I want to like get a little workout in. Another white shirt, go figures. Then this is just like workout stuff. This is just like little shirts that I could wear. So that's that. Then in this I have all of my underwears and bras and stuff, only because if they were to search my suitcase, I did not want them exposed in my business. I kept it in that pouch. This is the cardigan that I was talking about. This is just a little sweater top. This is what I actually wore yesterday. Then in this side of my suitcase, I basically have 2 pairs of Rothy's, some workout bands, because this is like a great thing to use to work out like on the go. My Steve Madden heels, which is right here, and then I have a black, a dark, and a light wash pair of jeans, and some flip-flops options. So I'm currently working on editing the vlog right now. I'm just gonna bring you guys around some more, because I didn't really do it yesterday. This is like the upstairs portion. It's pretty empty, like it's being decorated, I guess, but this is kind of like a little bookshelf area, and you can like see outside from here. The lighting is so great up here. I plan to film a makeup video later on, and there's a plant in here, so maybe good. I don't really know yet. This is just upstairs portion. As you guys can see, it's pretty empty. Oh my gosh, every Jamaican household I know has a Ludo board, a Ludi, I don't know what they call it, Ludo, Ludi, I don't know. This is my favorite. I love the headboard, and it's a king size bed, I think. It's so nice. I love it so much. I love like the gray theme and everything. But this is one of the bedrooms upstairs, and then this is a bathroom. And then this is kind of gonna be like a, I don't know, like a hangout spot, game reading room, I don't know. Then back downstairs we go. Sorry it's so dark. So this is my aunt's bedroom. I'm not gonna show too much because I don't want to invade their privacy, but I love it. It's so nice. It's like a really nice bed. It's decorated really, really nicely. I love, she's so great at decorating. Let me put you guys close so you can't really see too much. And then she has this massive bathroom. It's so big in here. Give you guys a little twirl. So big. I love it. Let me keep you guys close because I don't want to show too much. And then this little figurine thingy. It's really cute in here. I love it. And she's still decorating and everything, so it's not completely done, but it's so nice. And then this is the little dining area that she has set up. It's very cute. But it's currently like 2:30 right now. My cousin Tamara is gonna come pick me up around 4:40, and we're gonna go to the mall. I do want to get a little bit more stuff for Christmas. I didn't buy anybody any gifts yet, and I wasn't sure if I was going to, honestly. I was just gonna, I don't know what I was planning on doing, but I really don't know what to get. Where's my phone? But I need to go to the mall and figure out what I'm doing, because tomorrow I think my aunt wants us to go to church, which I know I have to go because she's gonna like literally have a fit if I don't. But yeah, my clothes are all on hangers right now. I'm gonna just put them in the closet just so I can kind of have a little outline of what I have. And this is kind of like the black thing on the white shirt I was talking about. I think this will be pretty cute. Alright guys, I'm gonna be closing this vlog out here. I'm sorry it was kind of like all over the place and just not that exciting, because right now I'm kind of editing the vlog and I'm just like, oh. But from now on, I kind of want to make the vlogs a little bit more holiday-y, only because Christmas is only 5 days away and I really haven't done anything festive. I know we're going to be going to like some tree lighting place in Florida somewhere here, so I'll vlog that and like my shopping for gifts and stuff like that, only because I don't think I shot any content like that, and I'm not the Grinch, you know, but I really have not been feeling the Christmas spirit. But seeing all this stuff around me makes me want to like do like a little bit of like Christmas content. So from here on out, I'm gonna be vlogging every single day, like more holiday vibe stuff. So I plan on baking some cookies when Allie gets here and like doing some other stuff, which should be pretty fun. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing from here on out. Don't know if I'm gonna upload every single day though, because I do have to edit on Abigail's computer and she does have to do a few things for her schoolwork and stuff, so I don't want to like hold up her stuff to edit, and edit takes a couple hours. So I don't really know how I'm going to upload them yet, but for the next few videos you see will definitely be more festive. So yeah, I'm excited. So I'll see you guys very, very soon, and thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in my next vlog.